Best friends. Bird and hippo are friends. They swim together. Hippo goes down, bird goes up. They canoe together. Hippo goes down, bird goes up. They climb together. Hippo goes down, bird goes up. They seesaw together. Bird goes down, hippo goes up. They sit together. Hippo goes down, bird goes up. They eat together. Yuck. They sleep over. Hippo goes up, bird goes down. They are still best friends.